Welcome to another episode of Beginners Barbecue Outdoor. In this episode, we're doing chicken legs. Let's fire up the traeger. So here we have some big pieces of chicken legs. They're already seasoned. We got them at the store like this. They have a dry rub on them. So let's see how it tastes with this already seasoned. It was seasoned for a while, I guess. Let's see. Look at that big old piece. That's a big piece. So I'm going to put these on the traeger for 300 degrees for about 2 hours. Hopefully they get that nice look. Hopefully it's tasty. Hopefully it's not too much rub. Hopefully they know what they're doing with whoever did this. And let's see how it goes. So now that the traeger is ready, let's put these chickens in. Chickens are in there. We'll wait about 2 hours. So now I just go relax inside the house, watch something good on TV, and come back in about an hour and a half just to see how they're doing. So we're at the 1 hour. We're at the 1 hour mark. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip them to get a grill mark on both sides. All right, so let's flip them. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That looks delicious. See what the temperature is looking like? It's pretty much done. Yep. Way done. Okay, you're ready. Just let them there for another few more minutes to get that grill mark on the other side. We're good. Well, the chicken has been there for a few minutes now, and ready. Yeah. So now that the chicken is done, we had it at the traeger for 300 degrees. We had it there for about 50 minutes, I think. An hour, and they look really good. Let's try them out. So here we have 2 of them that look really good. Just see how that looks. It's really juicy and it's hot. Get some of that in there. Look at that. So let's try it now. It's really juicy. I could have used more seasoning because this was already seasoned and everything was packaged the way it was. I would add more seasoning on it, gives more flavor. And as you look over here, you got the juices running out. So let's put it here. There it is. have this piece right here. A little bit of skin. Look at that, nice and moist. Really moist. Juicy. Like I said, it's real juicy. That's the beauty when you do it on a Traeger. It holds all the juices there because it's not on fire, on direct heat. It cooks with the smoke. It has a good smoke flavor to it. I use cherry on this one. And that's it for this video. And I'll see you guys next time.